Hello all. So this would be the final video that I'm gonna talk to you about the um, presentation tomorrow. So how are you gonna prepare yourself for the presentation? Uh, Number one is make sure you have enough sleep. The presentation will start at 9:45 for the first group. For those who just can come earlier for the first group, if you come earlier at 9:40, we can already start from there on. All right. Uh, okay, so for your presentation, first you can create a slide to show your business, your company name. If you don't do that, it's also okay. You can just brief me through um, orally, all right? Just orally, spontaneously, you can just tell me that what the business you are proposing, what is the uh, model, and then your target. Maybe if you want to go into detail, but keep it simple. You should also talk about your business's services or the product and your teammates, obviously. So someone was asking me, is it one person handles the system, or everyone have to present, or it can be one or two person that present? So my answer is very simple. If you want everyone to present, then it's also okay. But if you have one or two as your key person to present, then it's also fine for one person to control the system. And I need one person to actually record your presentation during the live presentation that you're gonna present tomorrow in the class. Also, all right, what you will do is first you will flash whatever you have. If you have a slide, then you flash the slide. But if you don't have, you straight away start with the Microsoft Word. You just open up the Microsoft Word like this, all right? Then over here should be your company name and your business um, company name, your group name. Then all those basic thing. You can scroll down over here and just say to me that this is your proposal, and you can use this navigation panel, or just from here you just click control and click on the information, the header over here, and skip to the part. Let's say after you give a brief introduction of your business already, your business proposal, then you can straight away click on this, go down here, maybe, yeah, you can straight away click on here. You can say that, okay, this is my business name, all right? And then this is the identity, all right? And these are the type of services that I offer. And you can just go over here, you can say that included in this business proposal is the financial plans and whatever you have it over here that you want to show to me. So it is best for you to also show the whatever kind of software that you incorporate inside with your business proposal. And that is very fast for the Microsoft Word. And you go to the Excel over here. So this Excel over here, you will first show me that this is how you're going to plan your budget for your business. You say that if I change some estimate over here, then I can see the difference on the cost versus the revenue. And then you can say that this the master one, and then this is the breakdown. Then you can show the over here you can show the what they call data visualization. So you can add in different field to further break down or further drill down the analysis. For this case, if you look at this Excel over here for presentation, it's I totally don't mind. All right, for the presentation, the most important thing is the rubric is already over here. You just follow this rubric accordingly. But for your assignment marking rubric, if you've done the same thing as what I have done over here, the maximum marks you will get will be kept at only B, maybe the low grade B. To score better for this, you need to have the VBA automation, and then you need to have 1 year of your transaction. So over here, 1 year of budget. If you don't have these transactions over here, make sure you have all these formula index and if formula included, because these are the basic one that I've taught you. What I want to say some more. Yeah, VBA. So VBA can be anything. You can be a button for you to click to copy all of this and paste into a new sheet, and then just blank everything out for you to fill in maybe certain things. Or you can use a VBA when you click on the button, then you will change certain figures or whatnot. All right. VBA is basically, it can be in it can serve multiple purposes. One of it is to integrate between these different system. That is the highest. The second highest is where you can actually repeat certain role, repeat certain task or continuously by just clicking the button. And the easiest one is just to, when you copy and paste something, copy from one page to another page, right? That also you can also use VBA to do that. Or replace certain figure. So if you have like a list of figure over here, and then you want to replace to this this figure over here, then you can have a button. Then when you input here, then you can clear. When you click this, it clean maybe a button over here to just clean this to 0, for example. So it can also be so, right? That's the VBA. Then finally, you can present your access. Access over here. When you present, I want you to present it like this. Make it hide the everything, hide the font here, hide the hide everything. Make it like a system. This one should be center. Make it nice and presentable. If you want to hit the cap marks, all right, the maximum marks, then it should be very nice. So you should create some illustration, some example, or some situation. You say that, okay, since we are doing this printing service, we are doing this for this one is like a sales service, right? Sales service of a product. Then when each time a customer come in and when they want to buy the product, we will have someone to enter the record over here. You see like this, and then you can say, if the customer name is not here, we can click here. We can add the customer name by click here and add the customer name. So you can just on the spot, just put a test over here, and then you can say select this and then just save. Number 5, test, save, and then go to the order, then check. Over here, let me see. I press this F5, all right? Just press F5. Go to this. Customer number 5. See that? Need to press F5, all right? Then the test out. Then select the date, the product. No, you should new first, right? New first, and that's why. Okay. Select date, select the product, and then put the quantity, and then save. This is not complete. Maybe you can click, have a button here to print the receipt or to print the invoice. You need to make a story. What I'm thinking is that your budget for your time is 1 minute for Word, and then 5 minutes for Excel, 5 to 7 minutes for Excel, 5 to 7 minutes for Access during your presentation, and that's it. After you show all of this, that's it. You are done. You have finished all the presentation. So if you can see over here, all right, the word demonstrate a clean structure is 1. If you follow everything, you will get 10 or 9. If you have all this formula, dynamic budget, blah, 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 used for effective. Remember, the purpose for you to do this example over here is to show that you can effectively, see this one, this is the keyword here. I keep missing out this. Effectively you can use these tools for clarity and decision making. And finally over here, you can see it demonstrates a fluid interface using form, show how data is entered, stored, queried, and reported, system aligned with business logic. Well, you got another 9 marks over here, or 10, all right? If you transit in between these excellently, I say 1 minute, 5 to 7, 5 to 7 minutes, 1 minute, 5 to 7, 5 to 7, 5 to 7, then this one should automatically be max. And delivery appearance, this is how you confident. It is better for you to just spontaneously explain or go through your system. Remember, you own the system, you did the assignment, so you should be very much well prepared. Well prepared. So don't don't need to create any scripts or anything. If you create script or anything, maybe your marks will be kept at number 8 to 6 only. All right, you'll be in the good category if you create a script. But if you without script, then your marks would be excellent. But if your script is lousy, then you'll be poor, right? Good luck to you all for your for your presentation tomorrow. Assignment submission, you can go through the e-learning. Your group leader, you should inform me, or the one that represent your group, you should submit in the e-learning. All right. If you have any issue with the submission, do come to me or let me know. The time I already set at 10 o'clock, so it will automatically close when it reach the time. All right. So good luck again. All right. See you all tomorrow in the class.